Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Mercedes Benz E Class. So from any screen here, the rotary control, you see the home button on the right hand side. Click the home button and then navigate to telephone, click the telephone. And then we've got searching for authorized devices, connect new device. You see the Bluetooth there. So from Bluetooth, click towards the driver, select the phone you want to delete, and you'll see the three lines there, the hamburger as they call it. If you knock that across, then you've got another menu comes up and we want to deauthorize that phone. So do you want to deauthorize the following device? Barry's iPhone 11, yes. Turn the rotary control to yes, highlight yes, and click yes, and it's gone.